Hello everyone. In this video we are going to convert between percents and decimals. The first conversion we will do here is from percent to decimal. We'll do the other way around later on in this video. To write a percent as a decimal, you're going to drop the percent symbol and divide by 100. There is another approach to this to make it a little bit easier on ourselves, and I'll show you that after this example. So 47%, to write this as a decimal, first thing we do, get rid of the percent symbol, and then you're going to divide by 100. When you divide, you're going to get the result of 0 and 47 hundredths, or 0.47. The other approach to this, to show you a more shortcut method to this, I'll try another example, 3%. 3% we can write as 3.0. When you divide by 100, you're moving your decimal point 2 places to the left. So essentially now this decimal point is right here. And I will place zeros in between these markings here. So now instead of my decimal point being here, it's now here. And that number is 0.03. Or 3 hundredths would be another way to look at it. Let's do one more. So this is 135%. My decimal point's over here, because remember, this is 135.0. Writing this as a decimal, you move that decimal point 2 places to the left. So essentially now this number becomes this. Let me redo that 5 there. There we go. So 1 and 35 hundredths. So whenever you have a percent that is 100% or greater, the equivalent decimal number will be 1 or greater. So if you were converting 100% to a decimal, it would simply just be 1.0, or you can just simply write it as 1. The 0.0 is there for the decimal emphasis, but that is just another approach to it. So when you divide by 100, you move your decimal point 2 places to the left. That takes care of percent to decimal conversion. Let's work out the other way around. To write a decimal as a percent, we're going to multiply by 100, and then we will attach the percent symbol from there. So my first example will be 21 hundredths. So multiplying this by 100, moving that decimal point 2 places to the right now. So now I have 21.0. But remember, this is not 21 whole. This is 21%. This decimal is less than 1, so the percent will be less than 100%. I'll work out another example. So this is 529 thousandths. Converting this, moving that decimal point 2 places to the right, same as multiplying by 100, converts this to 52.9%. One more. This number is bigger than 1, so that means the percent will be larger than 100%. Moving this decimal point 2 places to the right, 192%. Now remember, multiplying by 100, you move the decimal point 2 places to the right. In the other example, when we were doing percent to decimal, we were dividing by 100. So the decimal point would go 2 places to the left. Dividing by 100, 2 places to the left. Multiply by 100, 2 places to the right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.